Zero to Hero, Power Workshop 2.0, Module 2, Secure Remote Work. Okay, this is an optional advanced lab. This is where we're going to look at threats influencing trust. We're going to integrate Duo with Cisco Secure Endpoint. Let's get started. All right, so Cisco Secure Endpoint, formerly known as AMP for Endpoint, is continuously monitoring and can quickly detect a threat, identify its point of origin, track its rate of progression, and show you where else it's being. See exactly what it is doing and if it has infected any other endpoint on the network. When Cisco Secure Access by Duo and Cisco Secure Endpoint have shared visibility into a Windows or macOS endpoint, Secure Access by Duo can block users' access to applications protected by Duo from endpoints deemed compromised by the Secure Endpoint. Now, Secure Access by Duo Trusted Endpoints secures your sensitive applications by ensuring that only known devices can access Duo protected services. So when a user authenticates via Duo prompt, we'll check the access device's security posture in Cisco Secure Endpoint. So basically, you can see an example below. Users use their devices to access an application. Cisco Secure Endpoint running on the device detects malware. Secure Endpoint notifies Duo about the infected device. Duo blocks the device from accessing the application. For example, if you're at a coffee shop and you connect to the internet, you plug in a weaponized USB key that compromises the asset. You use your primary authentication to authenticate into Office 365. Duo prompt comes up and says, look, you've got to authenticate. That second factor is required for this application. But since Endpoint AMP has detected an infection, that's no longer allowed. And so you can't authenticate using that device. You can use any other device you want, but you can't use that one. All right, so let's go ahead and get this configured. First things first, let's go into Duo Admin Portal. We'll go to Trusted Endpoints. We'll add integration. We'll go to Endpoint Detection Response. We'll add Cisco Secure Endpoint. Let's go ahead and do that. And we're going to get some information from Secure Endpoint. It's all API driven. It's quick and easy. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's log into Cisco Secure Endpoint. Okay, let's go to Accounts, API Credentials, New API Credential. Let's go ahead and give the application a name. We'll just call this Duo Trusted Endpoint, read only. There's our API keys. Let's go ahead and copy them over. Jump back into Cisco Secure Endpoint, client ID, paste. We'll grab the API key. We'll go ahead and paste that in. Scroll down. We can test the integration, success. We can save the integration, but we do need to enable it. So let's go ahead and do that. Scroll down and enable. Now that we're enabled and ready to go, let's go ahead and go to Policies. Let's go down to Employees. Let's go ahead and hit Edit. And let's go to Trusted Endpoints. And here we'll check Allow Cisco Secure Endpoint to block compromised endpoints. Go ahead and save policy. And that's it. Let's move to the next one.